How to play Roblox on PC and laptop. Hi guys, in this video I'll explain on how to play Roblox on PC and laptop. So for movement, you'll use WASD keys, which are standard in most PC games. W to move forward, S to move backward, A to move left, D to move right. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can also use the arrow keys while controlling the mouse with your left hand. Keep in mind that the arrow keys may be smaller on some keyboard. To jump, press the spacebar. This action is easier when you're using the WASD keys. To sprint, hold the left control button at the bottom left of your keyboard. And to adjust your camera view, right-click and hold the mouse while moving it to see where you're looking. In some games, left-click may not do anything, but in shooting games, it typically fires your weapon. In games like Roblox, left-click is used to punch or hit. You can zoom in by pressing the I key and zoom out with O key, or simply use the mouse wheel. If your game has tools or an inventory, switch between them using the number keys, for example 1 for the first slot, 2 for the second, and so on. The backcode button located just under ESC key opens your backpack. The F11 key can toggle full screen mode, and F12 can start and stop recording. Depending on your keyboard, you may need to press the Fn key to access the F keys. In the top left corner, you will see microphone icon if voice chat is enabled. You can click this to mute or unmute your microphone. Nearby are buttons for the chat and more menu. To use emotes, click on more menus, select emotes, and then either use your mouse to choose one or press the corresponding keys. On the right, you will find the list of players in your server, which you can close by pressing the tab key. To open the chat window, type a /. To access the Roblox menu, press the ESC key. The People tab shows who is in your game. The settings allows you to adjust your game settings, and you can find and capture and report options if needed. The Help tab displays more control options if required, but for most games, the controls covered in this video will be sufficient. At the bottom of the Roblox menu, you will find various options to leave the game, reset your character, and resume, which closes the menu. Now you know how to play Roblox on PC and laptop using the controls. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.